Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We have to solve question number 8 of exercise number 5.3 today, and it is our lecture number 99. Lecture number 99, chapter number 5. Our topic is arithmetic progression. Question number 8 is find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. We have given the second term of an AP, that is A2 is equal to 14 and the third term of an AP, that is A3 is equal to 18. So we have to find the sum of first 51 terms, that is A51. ये हमें निकालना है. As it is given, and as it is known that A2 is always equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. That is here A2 is equal to 14. A2 is equal to 14. Is equal to A plus D. Or we can say A plus D is equal to 14. So name it first. Again, as we know that A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That is A3. A3 is equal to 18 is equal to A plus 2D. Implies A plus 2D is equal to 18. Name it second. The second result. Now we subtract first from second. Now subtracting first equation from second we get. Second में हमें इसको subtract करना है. इसका मतलब हम पहले second लिखेंगे. A plus 2D माइनस करेंगे इसमें से फर्स्ट रिजल्ट A plus D. A plus D is equal to 18 minus 14. That is A plus 2D minus A minus D is equal to 4. Plus A minus A cancel. We can implies 2D minus D is equal to 4. Implies 2D minus D. D is equal to 4. The value of D is equal to 4. That means the common difference is equal to 4. Now substituting the value of D is equal to 4 in first we get first is here a plus b equal to 14. A plus 4 is equal to 14. Implies a is equal to 14 minus 4, which is equal to a is equal to 10. Now we have here the first term a is equal to 10 and the common difference d is equal to 4. Therefore, we have to find the sum of we have to find the sum of first sum हमें निकालना है sum या हमें निकालना है यहाँ पर S51 sorry not A51 S51 sum of first 51 terms. Therefore, S51 is equal to n by 2. 51 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into 10, plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 4. That is S51 is equal to 51 divided by 2 into 2 into 10, 20, plus 51 minus 1, 50 into 4. Or S51 is equal to 51 divided by 2 into 20 plus 4 is 0, 4 5s are 200, 20, 200. 4 into 50 is equal to 200. Implies S51 is equal to 51 divided by 2 into 220. 200 plus 20, 220. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 0. Implies S51 is equal to 110, 110 into 51. 110 into 51. 5,610. 5,610. Hence, the sum of first 51 terms is 5,610, and this is the solution of question number 8. इसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9 is, if the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of n terms. Question number 9. Very interesting question. Question number 9. First of all, we will rub out question number 8. We will rub out question number 8. Here, question number 9, solution. sum of 7 terms of an AP. Here this sum of 7 terms of an AP, that is S7 is equal to sum है 49 is equal to 49 and the sum of 17 terms, sum of 17 terms of an AP, that is S17 is equal to 289 per 6 is 289. Find the sum of n terms. We have to find the sum of we have to find the sum of n terms, that is Sn. Sn हमें ढूंढना है. As we know that S7 is equal to A plus, S7 is equal to n by 2 and to 2A as we know that sum of n terms is equal to n by 2, 7 divided by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1, 7 minus 1 into D. That is A7 is equal to 49 is equal to 7 divided by 2 into 2A plus 6D. Or 2 से हम इसको ज़रूर लेंगे. 2 9 are 18, 1 carry on 2 4 are 8 plus 1 5. 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9. 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9. 98. 49 into 2 is equal to 98 is equal to 7 into 2A plus 6D, which implies 2A plus 6D is equal to 98 divided by 7. Implies 2 into A plus 3D. 2 into A plus 3D. 2 इसका कॉमन निकलता है is equal to 7 40 98. Which implies A plus 3D is equal to 14 divided by 2. That is A plus 3D is equal to 7. Say this is first. A plus 3 is equal to 7. Again, S17, sum of 17 tables. N by 2, that is N is here 70, 70 divided by 2 into 2A. 2 into 2 into A plus N minus 1, 70 minus 1 into D. That is S17, 289 is equal to 17 divided by 2 into 2A plus 70 minus 1, 16 into D. Or 2 sum इसको जरूर लिखिए 289 को 2 9s are 18, 1 carry on, 2 8s are 16, 1 is 17, 1 carry on, 2 2s are 4 and 1 we have 5 is equal to 17 into 2A plus 16D, which implies 2A plus 16D is equal to 578 divided by 17. $578 divided by 17. Okay, which implies 2 into A plus 8D is equal to 34. 17 1s are 17, 17 3s are 51. 6 बचते हैं यहाँ 17 4s are 68. तो इस तरह से 2 into A plus 2D, 2 इसका कॉमन निकाला हमने 2 into A plus 8D is equal to 34 implies A plus 8D is equal to 34 divided by 2, which implies A plus 8D is equal to 17. Name it second. Now subtracting first from second. Subtracting first result from second. We have second is A plus 8D, A plus 8D minus करके इसमें से first is A plus 3D, A plus 3D is equal to 17 minus 7, or A plus 8D minus A minus 3D is equal to 17 minus 7, 10. Which implies plus A minus A cancel, AD minus 3D. AD minus 3D is equal to 10. Implies 8 में से 3 हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 5D is equal to 10. Which implies D is equal to 10 by 5. 10 by 5, that is D is equal to 2. D means common difference, which is equal to 2. Now substitute the value of D. The value of D is equal to 2 and first result we get, or we can apply it also in second result. And first result we get, first result is, here the first result is A plus 3D is equal to 7. A plus 3D is equal to 7. A plus 3D is equal to 2 is equal to 7. Implies A plus 6 is equal to 7, which implies A is equal to 7 minus 6. That is A is equal to 1. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now we have now Here A is equal to 1. A means first term. D means common difference is equal to 2. Therefore, we have to find here Sn, sum of n terms. Therefore, the sum of n terms, that is Sn, is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is Sn, sum of n terms, is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 2. Or sum of n terms is equal to n divided by 2 into 2 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 into 1, 2, which implies sum of n terms is equal to n divided by 2 into plus 2 and minus 2 cancel. N divided by 2 into 2n. 2 and 2 cancel, which implies sum of n terms is equal to n into n is equal to n square. Sum of n terms is equal to n square. Hence, the sum of n terms is equal to n square. Very important and interesting question. This is the solution. This is the complete solution of question number 9. And it is enough for today. We will